What's popping, y'all? It's your boy Reggie Beats. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm Reggie Beats. I'm your IT producer. I'm the one who's gonna be keeping you up in the plug with the technology in the beat making game, so you can sell your beats and make a whole lot of money. Talking about beats, today we're gonna be talking about how to protect your beats with YouTube Content ID, meaning that how do you get paid when somebody steals your beats? Because we know the music industry, man, so many people steal beats these days, you know what I'm saying? I would probably think that probably 70% of the songs that are on YouTube are probably have stolen beats, you know, but that's just what I think. It's not a fact or anything, I'm just thinking that. So when somebody uploads a song without your permission, then you can actually get paid. You can actually claim their video or their beat or their song, so you can claim their song and get paid when YouTube puts ads on their videos and stuff. Because I'm sure even some producers steal beats, so this is gonna keep you safe from everything. If somebody steals your beat and tries to put it on YouTube, then you know you're gonna be making all the money from there. So instead of taking the video down, just let it be there, because it's gonna make money for you. So before we get started, man, please hit the sub button, because you're gonna need me, I'm telling you, because I'm gonna be coming through with so many germs every week, you know what I'm saying? Hit the sub button and let's get to it. The service we're gonna be talking about is DistroKid. DistroKid is the easiest way for musicians or producers to get music into Spotify, music or beats into Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, you know, and many more. And you can upload as many beats, unlimited uploads, keep 100% of your streams, you know. So how does this work? So let's make an example with a song. Let's say an artist wants to drop a song. Let's say 21 Savage wants to drop a song, because I see his picture here. So he will take his song to DistroKid, and DistroKid will distribute the song to all the distribution media. And if you try to upload his song on YouTube, you're gonna get a claim, and the money that you make from that video is gonna be sent to who? 21 Savage, because he owns the song. That's what we want to do with beats. We want to upload a beat, so if somebody uses my beat or re-uploads my beat without my permission, then whatever money they make, it's gonna come to me. It's all about getting money, it's all about the bag, which is why I recommend this service so much. So let's just read about it right quick. You know, it says it will get your song into Spotify, Apple Music, Pandora, and everything. So your beat will be on these services, and you're gonna keep 100% of your streaming earnings. It's 10 to 20 times quicker than any other distributor. You pay only $19 to upload unlimited albums or songs. So when you say songs, you must just replace that with beat, because we're talking about beats. So you pay only $19.99 to upload unlimited beats for a year. You'll be paying this per year, and you're gonna keep your earnings, you know, and you're gonna have features that you're not gonna find anywhere. You see, it says the features. This is the most important part. It says distribute cover songs legally, get paid when other people use the music on YouTube, which is what we want. But let's get into it so we can do it. So to get started, please click on the link below. Click on the link below to get started with DistroKid. You know what I'm saying? Smash that link and then let's register. So you're gonna get to this part where it says sign up, you know. So you're gonna put in an email, password, and confirm a password. So let me just add my details as well, then password again, then you sign up. You click sign up. After clicking sign up, you're gonna get to this page, which is the most important page, because it shows you the packages, you know. So these are the packages that you can choose. So this one is for one artist, this one is for two artists, or if you're at a band, this one is for a label, you know, if you're at a record label. But we'll just focus on this one, which is the free one. No, I mean, which is the $19 one, and then just click continue. Now you're gonna have to put in your payment details, of course, because as you said, it's $19 a year. So you only pay this a year, and then after doing that, you're gonna click join. Now once you've joined, it'll take you to a page where you can upload beats, but I won't be able to go through that because I already registered everything. This is just a dummy account, so I'm gonna actually log into my real account so I can show you guys how to upload a song. Okay, cool. So once you're done, you're gonna come to this page, to your dashboard, you know, and then click upload. Now we're gonna upload the beat. So you say now it says, you see here now it says services, Spotify. So your beat will be uploaded to all these services, and I feel like it's a good thing because then it increases your chances of being found by other fans. It's better to have your music everywhere than to have it at a specific place, because we don't use the same music services as people, you know what I'm saying? So I always click and make sure everything is selected. Well, besides this one, because it came unselected, so I'm gonna leave it like that. And then now it says, has this beat, how many, the number of songs. So when you see songs, you replace with beats. Number of beats is just 1. If it's like 3, if you're dropping 6 beats at once, you can put 6 there. And then, has this beat been released before? No. Artist band name is Reggie Beats. And you can put your name there as well. And then it says, does this exist already in Spotify? So if you already have a Spotify account or a Spotify artist account, then you just click yes and put the link of it here. But not if you don't have, just click no. Mostly it's gonna be no if it's your first time doing this. Just click no. I don't have any other Reggie Beats anywhere. And then here it says where's a release date. You can only do it if you have the other package, which is the Music Plus, I think. So we're gonna leave this, it's not important. Now we're gonna come to the album cover for the beat. So you can make any album cover, just make sure that it's nice and presentable. If you want to know how I make my ones, put it in the comment section below and I'll make a video about it. So here's one that I made. Because the name of the beat is Monopoly, so I just put dices there. It's not too bad, it looks kind of cool. And the language is English. Genre, mine is hip-hop, pop rap, subgenre. I don't know why it still says hip-hop rap. I'm gonna put hip-hop rap. The name of the song, which is what? The beat. Yes, well done. So the name of the song is Monopoly. And then, do you feature any other artists? No. Are there many versions of the song? I'm gonna click no. The audio file, so you need to submit either a WAV, M4A, FLAC, or MP3. I like WAV, or I can just use it. Yeah, let me use the WAV because WAV is I think it's better quality. So I'm gonna use WAV. Okay, so now it says, do I have Dolby Atmos or spatial audio? No, I don't have. That's like when you mix it in 3D or 4D. I didn't mix this beat in 3D or 4D, so I'm gonna say no. And songwriter, yes, I'm the one who wrote this song. I'm gonna keep the song selected. Songwriter's name. So here where it says music and lyrics, just put music because it's just the beat. Then put your names here. If you are collaborating with somebody else, you're gonna put them here as well as music as well. So does this song have explicit lyrics? Nope, because just the beat. Unless if your tag is explicit, unless if your tag is swearing. It's Reggie Mother Beats, man, then I was gonna say yes. But no. Is this song clean? Yes, it is clean. Does it contain lyrics? No. This song is an instrumental, contains no lyrics, no relics. And then this one's I'm gonna keep it the way it is. Then here it says iTunes price. So iTunes, they sell songs, so your beat will be able to be bought on iTunes, but bought as a song to listen, not to make money with it. It's not like leasing it. It's just like when you go to Spotify, you find Lil Wayne song, you buy it. It's the same thing, just to have a right to listen. Then we come to the most important part of them all, the most important section, the major key. So if you made up to this far, we're winning. YouTube content ID, make sure you select that because this is what you need to actually get this thing popping. Select that because YouTube content ID is what we need for YouTube to be able to detect your beat in other people's songs on YouTube, so they can get paid from that. So it says that is 4 rand, not 4 rand, I'm saying rand because South African rand. $4.95, a year. That's just a year, you know what I'm saying? Plus 20% of YouTube ad revenue earnings. So whatever you make from YouTube, they will take 20%, and it's not bad because I know some other ones they take like 30%. So 20% is the lowest that I've seen. You see what I'm saying? So get notified when your music is paid ever into any YouTube videos, you know what I'm saying? So get paid and notify when somebody steals your beat. So if somebody steals your beat, you'll get a notification that, yo, this guy's using the beat. Does he have the right to? If he doesn't have the right to, then you can just claim it. You can just watch this video to see more about this, what this YouTube content ID means. So now we're gonna select these things. So you need to make sure that you read these things properly and select, and make sure that you understand, you know, because it says here important stuff that YouTube takes seriously. Okay, I finally got it. Okay, cool. So it says I created my sounds. Yes, on my beat I made every sound, so you must make sure that you create all your sounds in your beats. This beat doesn't contain loops that are public. You can say yes, loops that are public are loops that everybody's using, because if you're using a loop that everybody's using, how are you gonna copyright that beat? Because everybody has that same sound. And now it says you promise not to let other artists make a remix of this. Say yes. Does not contain public domain recordings. Yes. Does not contain sounds from videos or television. Yes. Does not contain any audio from other people's videos. So it mustn't be sounds from other people's videos. Yes. I'm the only one who can add this content ID. Yes. I have not used another company such as CD Baby and TuneCore, so that there's no conflict and a mess. Like, yes, but that's only for that specific single. You know, if you have used it for other singles, then it's fine. And then it says YouTube take this thing seriously. Are you liable? You're gonna say yes. Who writes your music? Well, you can read these things properly. I'm just reading them now just to go quickly. Who wrote the music? And then you're gonna say it's all yourself. You wrote everything. Then from there you're done. Once you're done, you select all these other ones here, and then you say done, you submit, you know. So I'm not gonna do it because I already did it for this beat. I was just showing you guys. So yeah, man, that's how it is to actually put content on your beat. So when somebody steals your beat, you're good. So now you know, you make a beat. Once the beat is done, you put it here, you good, because even if somebody doesn't pay for your beat, you will still get money from it. And sometimes you might get a big channel that might like a makeup channel that might use your beat, and they might get 5 million views, and you're gonna cash up. I'm telling you, you know what I'm saying, because they're not gonna remove the video as they used your beat because they felt like it was a cool beat. So yeah, man, if you enjoyed this and you gonna try this, you know what I'm saying, shout out and hit the sub button for the next videos. Then I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm your IT producer. I'm out. Peace.